Alright guys, I'm making a cast iron Dutch oven dish. It's called poor man's kielbasa, something like that. So I'm going to put, I'm saving the juice, pineapple chunks, saving the juice. I'll drink that. Dumping this first in the bottom. Alright. I'm going to do crushed pineapple also. See if there's any juice in here. I'll throw that in there. Alright. Hanover beans. Put 3 cans in there. It's a big Dutch oven. Actually, this is already open. Make a stove out of these two. 3 cans. I'm going to put 3 Vadalia onions in there too. I'm going to use some Colemans mustard, about a tablespoon. Then I'm going to make kielbasa over the fire and plug it with these whole cloves. Cook that over the fire, and when I'm done over the fire, then I put it over on top of here of all this stuff. I'll mix it up. We got our finished fire log left over, burning in the fire. And that'll be our foundation for our cooking. Got my medicine bag hanging. We had the sage burning this morning. Okay, I'm gonna do some, let's take this Colemans first. Let's throw some of that in there. English Colemans dried mustard. Alright, throw some of that in there. You could use regular mustard too, but we're gonna throw some of that in there. That should be good. I like the Colemans, it's good. Alright, I do have some at the very end when it's baking and everything's in there, you put brown sugar, about a 1/4 cup on the top. We'll need that right away. These are Vadalia onions. Supposed to cut them up real fine. I don't think they're going to be that fine in here, but they're going to cook. Vadalia has a very fine skin on it, but they're very good tasting onions. So I'm going to just throw that stuff in there. I'm going to cut this up. About as fine as that one's going to get. I'm going to mix this up. Put this by the fire. I won't put it on directly. Got the mustard, got the onions, got the pineapple juice, all that stuff. Now, as far as Texas Pete hot sauce and stuff, I'm not going to put anything in. It's kind of a sweet thing. It doesn't take well with that, so with anything like that. So I'm going to mix this up. Cooking, it's not small, but we're roughing it out here. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to start cooking this in the Dutch oven. What I'm doing now is I got this Rosingnol Kielbasa, and I'm going to stick the cloves in it, whole cloves, and stick them right in there on the top, and we're going to roast it over the fire and toast it up really nice, turn it and everything. But we got the cloves. I put the cloves on one side for now, and then when it's done, then I will take it whole like this with the cloves facing up and stick it back in the Dutch oven on the top, and then the steam will, the juices will go back in with the beans and the clove juice, and then when it's ready to serve, I will take the cloves out the best I could and cut it up. It'll be in with the beans, but I kind of still leave it on top, the kielbasa, and we're having potluck here at this camp. And I also made Irish soda bread, and but this is like Carolina Chris and Cabot bluegill kind of tagged me on this. Mike, one of my friends who's very experienced with all the stuff. That's his lodge right there, and that's his friend. And he'll be checking this out too. And Mike knows his stuff. He does all different time periods and stuff. So, but what do you think, Mike? It's gonna be good eating, huh?
Looks good to me.
It's gonna be real good, man.
Anything you make is good.
It's gonna be real good. You didn't see his face or anything, but he made these, and it's a good saw, and it's period correct. It's old. Nice little bag with it. Little pins in there. What'd you say? Was it striped maple?
What's that?
This striped maple?
Yeah, tiger maple.
Tiger maple.
Hand rubbed linseed oil finish.
There you go. We got a friend that's eyeballing this kielbasa, and he'd be glad to partake.
In fact, I bought some for my son.
I know so.
In Aaron
Is this Blackie? I can't remember his name. But yeah, I know you want my kielbasa, but I'm sorry, man. You can't have it because we have to eat it. Okay? I don't have anything for you. I know you're getting closer too.
Sure.
So I'm gonna look at that baby. Now I keep turning. What I do is I keep turning that. So I'm gonna take this. I don't want that. I'm just gonna lay this on top like that. One side got done a little too much, but that's okay. I'm gonna lay this on top. The juices are gonna come and hit this, and the cloves are gonna go back down. But you see how it's cooking there? It's kind of a hot fire. So we cook it right in there, set it right down in there. See, it's not burning, but that fire's hot, so I'm going to back it off a little bit. The other sides we're cooking the same way. So it's going to be good, man. There you go. And it'll be good. I know Cowboy Kent there, he's actually got all this stuff there. Kent Rollins, he's good at this, Kent Rollins. But yeah, I'm gonna turn this around. Turn it around again. I may back it off a little bit because we got all day. It's cooking a lot. I'm gonna back it off a little bit here. Now, what I've done in the past is I've taken that reflector and put it around here, so it catches the heat all the way around. I may do that right now. I'm gonna move this a little bit. Get some of the coals away from there because the fire's very hot. So, oh, by the way, this is my little shovel right there. So I'm gonna you can hear that cooking there. I got to get some of these coals away from there because it's very hot. I don't want to keep turning it, but we're good, man. So that's it. We'll just wait and keep turning it, and we'll be fine. We're good. Now we're just gonna wait, and we'll have some good eating, man. Good outdoor cooking. Dutch oven. There you go, man. So guys, this is the finished product right here. Gonna put it on a potluck table. It's all looking real good. Guarantee it is good. Okay, can't find my big spoon, but it's the cast iron spoon. But this is good stuff, man. Ready to go? I'm gonna take it down to the table along with the soda bread that I made. So this is the cast iron, no, not cast iron, the Dutch oven tag or whatever it was. But just so happens we can use some good food out there. So that's what I did. So thank you everybody for watching. Check the stuff out.